Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So this video will talk about the focus functionality now in iOS 16 beta version. So as you may know, iOS 16 came with a better focus functionality on the iPhone. To open it, go to settings and scroll to this area focus, and now you can set up a personal focus or a focus for work, but we go to look at a personal focus. And to set up a personal focus, go and hit that plus button on the right upper corner of your screen and scroll down to personal, and now you can customize this focus entirely. So if we tap on customize, we can add the apps that we don't want to be disturbed by. So if I add, for example, mail, and I hit done, now all those messages that come into my mail will not disturb me on a certain moment when I have this personal focus on. So if I go to options, I still can customize it even further by showing those mail messages on my lock screen, but I guess that goes against the purpose, because then if you still get messages on your lock screen while you have that focus functionality on, then yeah, why would you do that? So I'll leave all these on. I'll leave all these off. If I can even add people to this focus setting by adding people, let's say A is someone who sends me a lot of messages and I don't want to be disturbed by him, I can add him and I can hit done, and now that person's also added to this personal focus functionality. Whenever I turn this personal focus on, I will not get messages from Apple Mail and not from this certain person. I can add it to my home screen. So let's say this is my home screen, I hit done. Now it will be added to my home screen. Whenever I have that functionality on, it will be shown on that home screen. And if I scroll down, I can add even a smart activation on it so that it will turn it on at some times of the day, or whenever, or if you've just arrived on a certain location, so you can just turn that on or off. If I scroll down, I can customize it even further by filtering some things out of it. So if I want to receive an email from someone that is very important, I can do so by going to mail, choose an account, and I don't have an account on this phone, but if you have, you will get your account and you can choose your account, and you can choose that content that you can still get messages from even though you have your focus functionality on. And you can customize it even further. If you want to show or hide a certain calendar, you can still do so by adding that particular calendar to the equation. And now you have this focus, personal focus, all customized as you wish. So now if I go down and I already have it on, if I tap on it, I turn it off, but if I tap on it, I turn it on back again, and now I will not receive mails or messages from that particular contact I've added to this focus functionality. So yeah, that's the basic of this video, just to show you how focus on iOS 16 works. They have now extended their functionality. We even see here on the left side next time that focus emoji or that focus icon. Now I know that my focus is turned on. If I slide down from the upper right corner of my screen, I tap on it, I tap again, and now it's turned off. There is no focus emoji right there. So yeah, that's actually it. I hope you like this video. If you want to see my recent video, check out this video right here. Subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.